Okay, I think I just found my new favorite acrylic paint set. Today, I'm unboxing the brand new Joni Young X Craftamo Acrylic Paint Set. And we're going to swatch it, test the blendability, and see if it really lives up to the hype. But before anything else, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's open this beauty. The box art is inspired by one of Joni Young's classy, dreamy landscapes. And the tubes have her signature printed right on them. It definitely feels like a collectible. So here's what comes inside the set. You'll get 8 60ml tubes. Super generous size. These paints are designed to be smooth, highly pigmented, and perfect for both beginners and professional artists. And of course, you can use them on canvas, wood panels, mixed media, because acrylics work on almost anything. Right away, you'll notice the paints are creamy, vibrant, and not streaky at all. Even the lighter colors feel heavy body. We've got red, pink, yellow, green, blue, violet, white, and black. For our mini paint test, I thought, why not try recreating one of my absolute favorite Joni Young paintings? This piece is so dreamy. The soft pastel sky, the snowy trees, the glowing sun, and it's the perfect way to see how well these paints blend, layer, and build atmosphere. For skies and backgrounds, use long and light strokes. These paints stay workable just long enough to blend smoothly. Use tiny touches of white to brighten your pastels without losing saturation. These paints layer beautifully, so don't be afraid to stack soft colors to get that dreamy Joni Young glow. Alright, final thoughts? This set is creamy, vibrant, blendable, and honestly just so fun to paint with. And the best part? This beauty will be officially available at www.craftamo.com on December 1st at 9 a.m. PST. If you want to be one of the first to get your hands on it, set your alarms because believe me, this will go fast. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, let your creativity run wild.